आज हम बात करेंगे जनरल नॉलेज प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पेपर। जिस बच्चों ने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पेपर फॉलो नहीं किया है उनके लिए हेल्पफुल होगा। और मैक्सिमम देखा गया है कि बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हमेशा रिपीट होता है, तो सभी इसको ध्यान से देखें। वीडियो ज्यादा लंबा नहीं करने के लिए हम इसका जो ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन स्किप किया है, सिर्फ आंसर दिया है। आप जब भी जरूरत पड़ेगा पॉज कीजिए, नोट डाउन कीजिए, फॉलो कीजिए। Which feature helps the coconut fruit to float in water? Answer is a fibrous outer covering. The rabies virus is carried by dog. Milk turning sour is a chemical process. The wearing off or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind is called soil erosion. Whales and dolphins are classified as mammals. The working of the internal organs of our body is controlled by the system nervous. A person might faint if his heart does not send enough blood to his brain. The upward push of water on an object is called buoyant force. The first artificial satellite launched by India in 1975 was Aryabhatta. Those who study earthquakes are called seismologists. The model of Earth is called globe. Agriculture cannot be practiced on mountains on a large scale as they have a thin soil cover. The condition of atmosphere at a given place and time is called weather. The highway of Central Africa is another name for River Congo. Most of the grasslands of the world are found in the temperate zone. Any sound louder than 90 decibels can cause loss of hearing. Aligarh Muslim University is associated with Syed Ahmad Khan. The English government introduced the policy of divide and rule to suppress nationalism. Purna Swaraj means complete independence. The Lok Sabha can have maximum of 552 members. The League of Nations was formed to prevent another world war. The world has been made smaller due to fast means of transport. Internet is a source of information on any topic. Which state adopted Sanskrit as it's one of the official languages? Uttarakhand. The medical practitioner specializing in children and their diseases, pediatrician. A group of stars is called constellation. Which gas, when solidifies, is commonly known as dry ice? Carbon dioxide. The members of Rajya Sabha can have a maximum tenure of how long? 6 years. P. Gopi Chand is associated with which sport? Badminton. A vehicle capable of traveling over land and water is called hovercraft. The space program of Government of India is looked after by ISRO. The motto of Indian Navy is Sham No Varuna. Which is the largest gland in human body? Liver. Who has written Sare Jahan Se Acha? Muhammad Iqbal. Which is the deepest ocean? Pacific Ocean. Who fixes the salaries and other allowances of the Speaker of Lok Sabha? Parliament. Which article of Constitution provides Indian citizen right to equality? Article 14. 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte or 1 MB. Hirakund Dam is built on which river? Mahanadi. Deficiency of iodine causes goiter. Who is known as Iron Man of India? Sardar Patel. Those who study things that were made and used in the past are called archaeologists. What is the ratio of width to length of our national flag? 2:3. Where is the Wagah border located? Amritsar, Punjab. Black soil is also known as a good soil. PV Sindhu is associated with which sport? Badminton. Bhakra Nangal project is built on which river? River Sutlej. The longest river in South India is Godavari. Which planet is known as morning star as well as evening star? Venus. Which planet is known as twin sister of Earth? Venus. Narela nuclear power plant is located in which state? Uttar Pradesh. Which is the biggest desert in the world? Sahara Desert. Manas National Park is located in which state? Assam. Sahyadris is also known as Western Ghats. The gas filled in a weather balloon is helium. Growing children need more of proteins and carbohydrates. Which gas is dissolved under pressure in soft drinks? Carbon dioxide. Lowest rank in Air Force officers is Flying Officer. Dr. Amartya Sen won Nobel Prize in which field? Economics. The imaginary line drawn halfway between North Pole and South Pole is called equator. The largest island in the world is Greenland. The coldest place in the world lying in the South Frigid Zone is Antarctica. Who invented telephone in 1876? Alexander Graham Bell. Ghumar is a popular folk dance of which state? राजस्थान. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए. फॉलो आवर फेसबुक पेज, डिटेल्स दिया हुआ है डिस्क्रिप्शन में.